Knockout si Tank Davis sa halimaw na kamao ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Ang pagbagsak ni Gervonta Tank Davis sa kamao ng Pinoy na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Si Jessel Mark Ariola Magsayo o mas kilala bilang Mark Magnifico Magsayo ay ang ipinagmamalaking boksingero ng bayan ng Tagbilaran, lalawigan ng Bohol. Mula sa napakahirap na pamumuhay sa pagiging ice drop vendor ay nagsanay ito para maging isang boksingero, at dahil sa kanyang purong talento at dedikasyong manalo, naging world champion na ang ating pambato. Sa napakaraming boksingerong Pinoy na lumalaban ngayon sa international boxing, isa talaga si Mark Magsayo sa napakalaki ng tsansa na sumunod sa yapak ni Manny Pacquiao. Kaya naman ang pumutok ang balita na makakalaban ni Magsayo ang isa sa pinakasikat na boxer sa mundo na si Gervonta Tank Davis, ay napakaraming Pinoy ang nagulat at sobrang naging excited. Undefeated at walang talo, superstar ang turing sa kanya ng mga tao, at halos lahat ng kanyang nakalaban ay pinabagsak ng halimaw na boksingerong ito. Alaga ni Mayweather versus alaga ni Pacquiao ang dalawang maglalaban, kaya napaka-exciting na magaganap na laban. Eto na po ang magiging pinakamalaking laban ni Magsayo ngayong taon, at sinisigurado ko sa inyo na gagawin lahat ni Magsayo upang manalo. Bagamat napakalakas ay 2 beses nang napabagsak si Tank Davis sa laban, at ang pinaka nagpahirap sa kanya ay si Isaac Pitbull Cruz na kaibigan at kasparing partner naman ni Magsayo. Kaya sa pamamagitan ng tamang pag-iensayo at mga payo ni Pitbull ay siguradong mananalo ang ating pambato. Kahit na itinuturing na isang heavy underdog itong si Magsayo, ay may isang legendary boxer naman na naniniwala talaga na kaya niyang manalo.
He's better than Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao was blue like that. Just as good.
He looks like a fucking pop star.
Oh, wait till he get on these motherfuckers.
Kaya naman, para makumbinsi ko po kayo, ay narito ang 5 sa pinakamatinding ginawang knockout win ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Araw ng Sabado, October 17 taong 2015, sa StubHub Center, Carson, California, United States of America, ay dumayo ang ating pambato. Makakalaban niya rito ang isa sa pinakamahusay na boksingero noon sa bansang Mexico. Si Yardley Arnita Cruz alias Yardley Suarez ay isang napakatangkad na kampiyon ng IBF Youth Featherweight Division. Siya ang kinatatakutang boksingero noon sa Mexico sa kanyang division. Pero pagdating sa ating pambato ay first round lang po ang itinanggal ng Meksikano.
Magsayo na kablang, alam na yung kalaban mo lang malaking test para kay Magsayo. Who they say was Magnifico. So left-right combination.
Solidify and a body. Very impressive. Very impressive. Traditional starters. Very good left foot again.
Oh, solid. What a Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
Not very impressed with Mark.
Oh gosh. This is second dumating ngayon.
Walang awa at napakatindi ng kamao ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo na wala nang nagawa, at round 1 lang ang inabot ng undefeated na Meksikano. Araw naman ng Sabado, July 8 taong 2017, sa IAC Convention Center, Barangay Mabolo, Cebu City, ay nabigyan ng pagkakataong lumaban si Magsayo para sa WBO International Featherweight title. Ang kanyang makakalaban si Daniel Diaz, ang pinakamagaling na boksingero noon ng bansang Nicaragua. Pero katulad ng mga naunang boksingero, kahit gaano pa ito kahusay, round 1 lang din ang itinagal nito sa ating pambato.
Magnifico Magsayo!
Araw naman ng Sabado, April 10, taong 2021, sa Mohegan Sun Casino and Casbel, Connecticut, USA ay muling ginimbal ni Magsayo ang mga Amerikano nang talunin nito ang pinakamalakas nilang pambato. Si Pablo Cruz ay isang mahusay na Amerikanong boksingero pero 4 na round lang po ang itinagal kay Magsayo.
Touch him up.
Come and see the newly upgraded tempered film. Made of high aluminum glass, it is not afraid of bumps.
Do it.
Pagkatapos ng napakaraming tagumpay ni Magsayo ay naganap ang isa sa pinakamalaking laban niya sa boxing na naging dahilan upang makuha niya ang Knockout of the Year Award noong 2021. Araw ng Sabado, August 21, taong 2021 sa makasaysayang T-Mobile Arena, Las Vegas, Nevada ay dumayo ang ating bida. Makakalaban ng ating pambato ang future superstar ng Mexico na si Julio Ceja. Sobrang lakas ng Meksikanong ito dahil ito yung bukod tanging boksingero na nakapagpabagsak kay Magsayo. Pero dahil sa talento ni Magsayo ay nagawa niya itong matalo sa pamamagitan ng brutal na KO.
Perfect left hook on the butt. Manny Pacquiao watching his fighter intently, and he's been hit many times before. He's been dropped. He was dropped last year on the kick. Knockout quick. He's got good hand speed. Is a durable, not to add Julio Ceja's name, designed by Julio Ceja. Keep coming forward, apply the body. He is unloading. Julio Ceja has not won a fight. His last fight. With some of the best. Aggressive and stalking by to go here in the third. Yeah, that's right between fighters of Filipino descent and Mexican descent. His MO, he starts strong in body in Spanish. There's a left hook by Mats. There's a chop in right hand by Julio Ceja. Ceja is running nearly 4 years in. But he's still 28% points there. Making a box office Pelayo on Lopez. And Ceja's been able, but Kenny Bayless was out of position. Tough dude. From Magsayo. into the body of Matsaya Bang. That left hook dropping from. Will he be able to handle this as he's dealing with a very denied 92 finishes a left hook. Countering, they both going back and forth. You find out what you are made out of, and at least don't say how I'm coming forward for a quick moment. Matsaya. Left hook to the shorter man to be able. Seha to close the gap. It's almost like a baseball. 100 seconds like what we saw. You showcase at an elite level. Considerably hurt when it left hook. Compared to just that of 21 to Seha. You have to use the right hand because he is much motion. All four major time. As he of the world. Matsaya said it's my dream to become a world champion. Matsaya angles Matsaya. You notice Seha was bouncing around. He was in a station. And for Mark Matsaya, not taking a lot of. Highway real finish.
Mark Magsayo!
Araw ng Sabado, December 9 taong 2023 sa Thunder Studios, Long Beach, California, muling ginimbal ni Magsayo ang mga Amerikano at mga tao na nanunood sa venue sa nakakatakot na knockout win na ginawa nito. Sa round number 1, mas malaki kay Magsayo ang nakalaban niyang Mexicano, pero agresibo dito ang ating pambato. Gusto niya kaagad tapusin ang kalaban ng Mexicano, kaya ang inabot nito ay bugbog sarado kay Mark Magsayo.
How long will this last? I don't know. After Magsayo immediately. That's got illegals in trouble. Magsayo coming out and tapping his legs here early. He could get himself into this fight with Magsayo. Very quick feet. Gets in and out fast as he can. Quickly lost to Brandon Figueroa. He made a decision. Lost his last two. Lost to Ray Vargas. Split decision. Figueroa, he down. He's now moving up. That's what an opportunity is. Spot him up on the show. Said yes. Check the ego. Not a main event. The fourth fight of the night. To just get the work. What a concept. Fighters fighting, Rich. That's it. I got to find some audio about it. What are you going to do in this fight? He's testing. We're testing. They were medium large. The big year without fighting. They eventually ended up fighting more than one yet. We know that Magsayo has world-class skills. I mean, he beat Gary Russell. I mean, that's not an easy thing to do. He also beat that's Rio Hermosillo back in 2020. In a tougher than expected fight. Decision. That was a good one. Federico. He's tough. We did a telecast of Magsayo very early in his career, and there was all of that ex-manufactured nonsense that was different fighter. And they both got caught in the low club. Do we need a referee now?
Sa round number 2, mismatch ang laban dahil napakatindi ng ating kababayan. Sinubukan ng Mexicano na lumaban pero na-overpower siya ni Kabayan.
We've been around that and say, you know that they have an idea
Round number 3, dito natatapusin ni Mike Magnifico Magsayo ang paghihirap ng Mexicano. Napakatindi ng kanyang ginawa sa pamamagitan ng brutal na KO at napanganga si Cuadro Alas, Janrel Casimero.
Down on a train with Mark Magsayo. Oh! A huge KO! Magsayo has knocked out Tommy Lethal on a huge uppercut. Can't see just like wow, and easy. You saw that feet alone. Wow, the way that Magsayo moved. Look at that. So the change in direction that he took. He just dropped. It completely fooled Aguilar. That's what an experienced fighter. Watch this little move. Let's see that pivot, and then put him in a position to shoot that left hook out.
Si Mike Magnifico Magsayo ang isa sa pag-asa ng Pilipinas na nagbibigay ng karangalan at pambihirang lakas ang pinapamalas